Such is the compelling relevance of the doctrine of the Trinity, understood according to the paradigm of mutual love, for the life and activity of each one of us. Without the Trinity, none of us can be truly a person. Because we believe in the Trinity, each of us is a woman or man for others. Every human being is our brother and sister, and we are called to bear their burdens, making their joys and sorrows our own. If only we had the courage truly to be transcripts of the Trinity, we could turn the world upside down.